Taragi Cheisu, a Unified Meitei Foundation, has urged the state government to initiate necessary actions to ensure that no untoward incidents occur which may compromise the unity of the people amid the prevailing tense situation in the state. Speaking to media at Taragi Cheisu office in Kurai, Ahongay, Lekai today, Taragi Cheisu chairperson, Senior Advocate Kaide Mani condemned the targeting of State Security Force officer by unidentified miscreants and termed it as unfortunate. He pointed out the roles and sacrifices of state forces in safeguarding the people and their properties from the unabated terror attacks by Kuki militants. He lamented that the recent and famous incident allegedly shows the ineffectiveness of the present government in the state. He asserted that the public have been voicing to remove central security forces from the state owing to their alleged inefficiency and lack of public concern.
Police Commando Sina District Mangata Pulai Thadoktana protest Tore Haibese. I could give Kunaida Topo Togo Amata Mayamna Chara Hemba Natrago Wakat Nipam Natraga Rally. I could get democratically Wabamunda protest away. Although security personnel da Maroin active force the labor Kangu da Moin Penda Batorokan so Kaigumamatamda. Pulai Thadoktana Togose, protest and Sipoi Mutini Gainto. I could get Sarkana, Damna Tentabotodana, Pami Vasicarino, Moide Carito, Vida would be the mug, Hariba protest Sitobano, as a Kanga Vasingo Carino, Anuga police officers in the Pendriba, Sinacarino, and the Sipros and Cons, Nainaraga, then Chataban Toi, Chapu Kairaga, Quagna Haramba, Abiti Taita. Ekoi machine di marata tauba amaga misunderstanding da tauba si chumde